Today is October 15, 2023. Mr. Rodenkirk and I take a sightseeing tour to the Taoxichuan Ceramic Art Avenue in Jingdezhen. So, did you see the photo of this site before?
Yeah.
So you now understand.
I understand. Yeah, I've been here. Yeah. I've seen the square before. But yeah, it's just different because usually when you see pictures, it's kind of staged, so there's not people here too. But yeah.
The Taoxichuan Ceramic Art Avenue is the center for producing, researching, and selling porcelains. It's called the new cultural hub, boasting China's ceramics capital. Taoxichuan used to be the site of Yuzhou Porcelain Factory, one of the top 10 state-run porcelain factories in Jingdezhen. These state-owned factories, built 60 years ago, were once important porcelain export bases. But they suffered from drastic drops in profits in the 1990s, and their employees were laid off and the factories became profitless. One of these porcelain factories, Yuzhou Porcelain Factory, was renovated into Taoxichuan, where 22 old workshops with varying style structures and kilns were relocated. At Taoxichuan Avenue, most buildings feature a combination of old red brick factory walls and renovated glass with black steel bezels. It's a wise decision for the local government to renovate the old porcelain factory to vitalize the area. In fact, each alley and chimney in Jingdezhen are precious resources and fortunes recording the city's history. The porcelain making tradition and culture have never been interrupted in the past millennium. This is what porcelain lovers around the world pay tribute to. Taoxichuan Ceramic Art Avenue was designed by the team of a British architect, David Chipperfield. It's a pleasant-looking and intellectually stimulating site, having been attracted ceramics artists from all over the world. The Spring and Autumn Art Fair has been held in Taoxichuan every year. The artists home and abroad gather here to display their porcelain works and enjoy an art atmosphere that far outweighs that of commerce. There are $100 million having been invested in Taoxichuan. What can people do in Taoxichuan Creative Avenue? People usually spend one day's time in Taoxichuan. There are many things to do. There's Taoxichuan Museum and Art Gallery to tour, where you can see the heritage of ceramic industry and ceramic shows in a large measure. The international artists like to rent the space for some arts promotion and exchange activities. Since its opening in 2015, Taoxichuan Art Gallery has hosted more than 40 high-quality art exhibitions, more than 50 academic lectures, and more than 70 academic events, inviting well-known artists and scholars from home and abroad as speakers and presenters, including foreign artists from the United States, Britain, France, Switzerland, the Netherlands, Japan, and Thailand. There are workshops specializing in ceramics, glass, and metal arts. Students like to choose their favorite art training courses here. The art freelancing teachers can find jobs work here as a long-term artist in residence. The workshops supply almost all equipment and tools of ceramic making and the kiln firing process, and also variety supply of biscuits, painting, glaze, and clay materials. There are gift shops for tourists to choose and buy porcelains. If you have more time, you may tour the flea market every night and the whole day at weekends. There are many freelancing artists selling their artworks at the bazaar. Taoxichuan Ceramic Art Avenue is also a place for hotels and restaurants. There are 3 5-star luxury hotels and economical weekly and monthly rent apartments within walking distance. There are also artist-in-residence workshops for rent based on monthly. Taoxichuan wants to be a new cultural hub for ceramic craftsmen, designers, and artists. Taoxichuan is born for art, life, and dreams. It's also open space for sharing and communicating with the people all over the world.